But first, the fallout continues tonight from the verdict in the Robert Brooks murder trial.
In the matter received against David Kingsley, the jury having returned verdicts of guilty.
One former corrections officer is headed to prison for the murder of Robert Brooks, an inmate from Greece. The other two acquitted on all charges. News 10 NBC's Tom Kowalski has reaction all new tonight from all across the board.
You can imagine this has been a long time coming for many people in the courtroom here today, whether they were hoping the charges to be dropped or for all three men to be found guilty. Now, we were in the courtroom all day in Oneida County. Here's what we saw.
In the matter received against David Kingsley, the jury having returned verdicts of guilty.
That right there is the moment that former guard David Kingsley got his guilty verdict. Here's what an attorney says about what the next steps for the two guards who were acquitted are.
A person can only be placed in jeopardy for the charges one time. If the jury comes back with an acquittal, the verdict against the prosecution, the weight of the prosecution's evidence, and the finding of not guilty is permanent and final and can never be recharged.
Obviously, the two gentlemen that were acquitted, I felt differently, but I respect the jury's verdict. And now we'll see what the United States Attorney does with them.
In response to the guilty verdict and the two acquittals, several local leaders and organizations posted their reactions. That includes State Senator Jeremy Cooney. In part, he says this is an important reminder that we have more work ahead to achieve true justice and ensure that these types of tragedies never occur in New York again. He also urged Governor Hochul to pass a bill that already passed the state Senate and Assembly, which aims to improve prisoner safety. Similarly, the healthcare union 1199 SEIU, which Robert Brooks Jr. is a member of, also pressed Hochul to pass the bill. They said, in part, quote, "We all witnessed Robert's brutal murder on video for the world to see. Yet the decision made by the jury today is painful and difficult to watch." The Brooks family also released a statement saying that they feel the jury made the right decision in the guilty verdict, but are disappointed to see the other two given a pass. They also say that they'll be pressing forward with a federal civil lawsuit. Now, we also reached out to the governor's office tonight asking why Governor Hochul has not signed the Robert Brooks bill that passed legislature all the way back in June. Nikki, her office says that she's going over the bill and is committed to significant prison reforms. At this point, Hochul will not go into specifics, though.